Ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. In this ceremony today, we will witness the joining of Alina Jaloy and Louie Renteria in marriage. We've come here today so that the Lord may seal and strengthen your love in the presence of God in this community. Today we have come to witness the joining of these two lives. For them, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened. They met each other, fell in love, and are finalizing it with the wedding here today.
He's like, I'm gonna rearrange some stuff so that this makes more sense. And he's like, I'll run by them, but I think it should be cool. And he's like, what, like, not have a beat?
I'm terrified, but excited. I love her. The rest of my life. It's time. She's my everything. She's my karma.
Baby, I love you, and I'm so happy married today and spend the rest of our lives together. Very excited, and I just want to say I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for you and for Julian, that you're such a great father to him, who became a great man. And I love you.
Louie, Alina, to make your relationship work will take love. This is the core of your marriage and why you are here today. It will take trust to know that in your hearts you truly want what is best for each other. It will take dedication to stay open to one another, and it will take faith to go forward together, without knowing exactly what the future brings.
I'm just thankful. Really am. It means everything. It's all I ever wanted. You know, I've gone through my life, a lot of regrets, a lot of remorse, but my whole entire reason for being right now is for her. I live for her. I die for her. I want the whole entire world for her. That whole entire void in my life that I've been looking for, need replaced. Alina, my love, my heart, my world. You're my happy ending. Life has no scripts, and you're the reason why I can finally smile every day, all day. I love you, baby. A couple more hours, we're good.
So, last week I was with Louie when he came into town, and him and I went to lunch, and he said one thing, and I was like, man, this guy's ready now. He looked at me, he goes, you know what? He's like, she makes me want to be a better man. At that point, I couldn't write anything, I couldn't prepare anything. I'm like, and anybody that knows Louie, I never thought this was gonna happen. Hashtag, oh, he gone.
I actually didn't meet Louie until Tuesday of last week. I obviously heard of him and heard how happy he makes my best friend. I already had respect for him and thought highly of him before I even met him. When I observed for the past few days that he's loving, respectful, and devoted 100% not only to Alina, but also to Julian.
For you guys don't know, I'm Louie's younger cousin, but he's a lot more than just a cousin to me. He's been there a lot more than I can ever imagine. I love him a lot more than I could ever say. I never had a brother other than my sister back there. You guys don't know me, I'm a really big pain in the ass. And no matter how mad I made him, he always loved me no matter what. And I love you, and you're lucky to have him. He's really a good person, and congratulations.
You know, I look around, and I'm so, it's almost amazed the fact that I can even see an actual depth of people that go beyond one table. I look at her and know that no matter what, if I ever mess up again in life, I'm good, I'm okay. I worship her, but I also am blessed by all y'all. I mean, y'all have made my day, our day, her day, more important than anything else in life. Money comes and goes. I made a lot of it, lost a lot of it though. You know, but no matter what though, to see y'all all smiling, I could not be here without every one of y'all here. Everybody here, cheers to you guys, though, for sure. Salute.
A few of you know I'm not the most emotional person, but when I get around these two, how can you not be? Can you imagine a better couple? I mean, they're perfect for each other.
You don't run into too many people in life that have such good intentions and a big heart and are just true, real people. And when you do, you gravitate towards them and you become friends with them. And I was fortunate enough to meet Louie. You know, I consider him a lifelong friend, and it's because of who he is.
My Russian, my Estonian princess. We became friends instantaneously. Louie, you're great. No, really, you are. But she's amazing. The heart, the personality, the warmth, the motherhood in her. She will always treat you with the most kindness and love. She's just that person. Treat her back the same way. Love her, cherish her. Enjoy your life together forever. That's all that matters.
For Alina to give her heart, her compassion, and her love is something that we truly will appreciate in the family. And that's what I want to leave you guys with.
8 hours into the desert and out of the desert at 124 degrees. They had been telling me the whole time, we're going to get married and you're going to marry us. So today that actually came to fruition, and I could not be more proud or honored to have been a part of it, and God bless the two of you, honestly.
you.